What's up guys? Well, I'm right here and this is Rare Gamer. Sorry I have asthma attack. Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna tour you around my house. By the way, I got 30.0 build 1. Let's go! Oh no. Who else hates the bug? I ate the bugs. Look at it. It's like open, but it's closed. See? Let's go down. It's not pressure plate. Yeah. Hope you know the updates about 30.0 build 1. Yay. Hi villager. I don't know what this things. It just came up on my brain. Just pop up like a balloon or a bubble. Okay. Now this is my castle, I think, or my office. Now I'm gonna build my maybe village or something. Please tell me in the comments what to build. I'm so bored. I can't think of anything. Again, I'm really sorry because I have asthma. Lol. So much creepy about the spiders walk. So like so creepy. I'm sorry if you can hear the sound in MCP because my screen recording option, audio option, is only for the mic or for the system. I decided to use the mic option so I can let you hear my voice. Okay. Oh yeah. By the way, I have a tutorial. Okay. Mandor, Dark Oak, Kasha, Jungle, Birch, Iron, Roadblock. Oh, I find this roadblock very interesting. Oops. Sorry. Try it. It's so cool. Okay. Rabbits. Look at it. So cute. Kawaii. Lever. Put some that. Oh, here. There. Just that. What else? Pressure plates. There we go. Find this tripwire hook very dumb. There. There we go. Rabbit hide. Raw rabbit, cook rabbit. Rabbit stew. Yeah. Just leave anything in the comment of an idea that I would like to build or you would like to build by me. So yeah. Ayan. This is Royal Gamer. Sayonara. Bye bye. Bye. Bye.